It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, September 22nd. Hey, you know what this is? The first official day of fall. The equinox is this morning at 9:21. About 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness, but you know it's still going to feel like summer. But next week, we think the changes begin. Let's dive in there and talk about it. We'll start with the water vapor satellite view. Same story for us, ridging in dry air. A big trough in the northwestern United States. And big storms on top of the ridge coming through parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes early this morning. Another very warm September morning for Birmingham. The urban heat island effect, 77. It's 10 degrees cooler in Tuscaloosa and Gadsden with the same air mass. They've got 67. Up north, flash flood watches and warnings for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin. In fact, there was a flash flood emergency for a few of those counties up there late last night. Other than that, the eastern half of the nation is fairly quiet. How about a risk of severe storms in Utah and Arizona today in advance of that western trough? Of course, we're dry here. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for the western high plains. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a risk of severe weather along a surface front, a marginal risk from Minnesota down to about Childress, Texas. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Good to see a little green here. Of course, that's not suggesting much. The big rain's west of the state. This is valid through early Tuesday morning. And we do expect to see a return of showers next week with the front stalling out probably just west of here. Tropical weather. Carl is a struggling tropical depression. Lisa is a struggling tropical storm. Subsidence, sheer, dry air, just all making for a very harsh environment. Carl, if it survives, will recurve in the Atlantic, east of Bermuda. And Lisa should dissipate as it begins to recurve, so nothing threatening the United States. Okie-doke model fans, here we go. The 06C GFS, valid today at 1 o'clock. Western trough, ridging here. Dry air, sunny with low 90s again. The NAM and the GFS are showing 93, and it's going to be like this through Sunday. This is tomorrow, same thing. No rain for high school football. Saturday, a sunny day with a hot afternoon. The GFS again printing 93, and the same thing on Sunday. But we note that front west of the state. Go to Monday of next week. Moisture begins to return. We'll introduce the chance of a few scattered showers on Monday. The front still well to the west, and this is Tuesday, a very sharp trough with the axis west of here. You'd like to see that closer to us to get the front through, and sure enough, the front stalls out around Little Rock and Houston. And we are in a moist air mass in advance of the front. It's a battle between that 1031 high northeast of here and the front to the west, but at least we'll have a chance of rain showers on Tuesday. We certainly could use that. We need rain. And most everybody wants cooler temperatures. And we will have cooler daytime temperatures, not necessarily from cool air advection, but because of clouds and showers. Highs would be in the low 80s if this is right. This is Wednesday, same thing. Mostly cloudy, a good chance of showers. And a week from today, and you can see the trough is long gone. The ridge is holding here. And down below that, the surface boundary again is stalled out just north of here. So next week will be cooler, with a chance of showers each day. But unfortunately, in this pattern, nights will not be cooler. We're not going to get down in the 50s if this verifies, but highs will drop into the low 80s on most days. This is the end of the forecast period. Saturday, which is the 1st of October, a week from this Saturday. Still got that 588 ridge. But again, moist air stays in place. So again, this is suggesting still a chance of rain showers. Check the numbers, and you can see after this weekend, the idea of 90s pretty much off the board. And I think the idea of persistent 90s will go away until next summer. Now, could we have a 90-degree day in October? Sure, we almost always do, but you can see highs for most of next weekend around 80 and lows around 60, maybe hitting upper 50s on a few mornings. So we're moving in the right direction. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.